Good afternoon, everybody. How are you all? I hope all of you are well and safe, and I really pray to God for your wellness and for your safety. Myself, Rita from Cambridge International School, Dasua, and today I am going to share answer key of grade 11 Political Science exam September assessment. And the link 1. What is a constitution? A body of fundamental principles according to which a state or which a country is governed. Two functions of constitution: to set some limitation on the government and to express fundamental duties of the citizen. And any other relevant point will also be considered. Which constitution is called the Castle of Cards? Iraqi constitution. Chairman of drafting committee, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Four fundamental rights: right to equality, right to life, right to freedom, right against exploitation, and right to freedom of religion. And any other right will be considered. Complete the sentence. It is possible to see both fundamental rights and directive principles of state policies as complementary to each other. Who decides the constituency? That is Delimitation Commission. Midterm election, when the general elections are held before it is due. Correct the statement. Legislature is the branch of the government responsible for the implementation of laws. And the correct answer is executive is that same branch. A money bill can be introduced only in Lok Sabha. Once passed, then it is sent to Rajya Sabha. Now, what are the 5 writs? Now, I am going to clear all the 5 writs in the same link. Habeas corpus. A writ of habeas corpus means the court orders the arrest person to be presented before it. Mandamus. The writ is issued when the court finds a particular office holder is not doing legal duty. Prohibition. This writ is issued by the High Court when a lower court is considered the case going beyond its jurisdiction. Quo warranto. If the court finds that a person is holding office but it is not entitled to do that. Certiorari. Under this writ, the court orders a low court or another authority to transfer a matter pending before it or to the higher authority of the court. Question number 16. Who is the head of the Government of India? That is PM. Prime Minister. What do you mean by independence of judiciary? It means no other organization organs like legislature or executive of the government will restrain the judiciary. In 1973, A.N. Ray was appointed as CJI, Chief Justice of India. How the judges of Supreme Court can be removed? Through impeachment. Which is the apex court of India? Supreme Court. Now link 2. Explain the balanced institutional design. Horizontal fragments power across different institutions like legislature, executive and judiciary. An intelligent system of checks and balances has facilitated the success of Indian Constitution. Question number 22. What are the provisions adapted from the Constitution? The same picture I have taken from your book, from your NCERT textbook. British Constitution, FPTP system, Irish Constitution, DPSP, United States Constitution, Fundamental Rights, and Canadian Constitution, quasi-federal form of government. Question number 23. Bill of Rights. It is often a practice in the most of the democratic countries to list the right of the citizen in the Constitution itself. Such a list of rights mentioned and protected by the Constitution is called Bill of Rights. Now link 3. Question number 24. What do you think is the advice of Council of Ministers binding to the President? Yes, the advising of the Council of Ministers is binding on the President in a parliamentary executive because the Council of Ministers is an elected executive and that has support the majority in the legislature. It also emphasizes the supreme authority of elected representatives in a republic. So, executive, legislature and judiciary and emergency power of the President are exercised only on the advice of Council of Ministers. Question number 25. The parliamentary system of executive vests many powers in the legislature of controlling executive. Is it necessary to control the executive? Yes, it is necessary to control the executive to ensure its accountability to the elected legislature. The various mechanisms ensure that the executive is answerable and controlled by the people's representatives so that there is a transparency and impartiality. The control on the executive is must so that it works according to the laws and checks of deviation of any kind. Question number 26. Why can Lok Sabha control the executive more effectively than the Rajya Sabha can. The government is formed by the party who gets majority seats in Lok Sabha. The members of Lok Sabha are directly elected by the people. The Lok Sabha enjoys the power to remove any executive from the office, while the Rajya Sabha cannot remove any of them. Question number 27. Does independence of judiciary mean that the judiciary is not accountable to anyone? The independence of judiciary does not mean that the judiciary is not accountable to anyone, but it means that no organ of the government like legislature, executive would restrain the functioning of judiciary. The judges can perform their function without any fear and favoritism. Judiciary is accountable to the Constitution of India, to the people of India, and to the democratic traditions. Now link 4, question number 28. Yes, this was a passage. And first question, who will contest the election? Exact answer, all the citizens have right to stand for election. Which is the minimum age contesting election for Lok Sabha? That is 25 years. Which person is disqualified from election? Imprisoned for 2 or more years or with any offence. Identify the values in the paragraph. Right to equality and respect for law. The Supreme Court. Question number 29. Read the passage. And the first question I have asked from your side, which is the highest court of appeal? The correct answer, Supreme Court. What do you mean by appellate jurisdiction? It means that Supreme Court will consider the case and legal issues involved in it. If the court thinks that the laws and constitution has a different meaning from that the lower court understood, that is the Supreme Court will change the ruling. Question number 3. Is it necessary for the High Court to certify that the case is fit for appeal? Yes. Identify the values in the paragraph. The values are right to justice, respect of law, equality. Now question number 30. That was a picture based question or cartoon based question. You can see on your screen. Who are the people standing in front of the stage? That is different members of the parliament. Why are these people standing here and why they are looking very humble? Parliament is the boss and this is the effect of the parliament's power to sanction money to the different ministers of the state. Which parliamentary power does this cartoon reflect? Financial power of the involved grant and resources to the government. And the government has to give an account to the legislature about the money it has spent and resources that it wishes to raise. Question number 31, map based question. Yes, Jammu Kashmir is not bicameral legislature. Many of the students have done this wrong. And the correct answer, I have given 6 states, but you have to fill only 5 states because the question carry 5 marks. Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Telangana and Uttar Pradesh. Now link 5, the last link, question number 32. What are the different provisions in the Constitution in order to maintain the independence of judiciary? Yes, Parliament has no say in the appointment of judges. The judges enjoy for the fixed tenure, that is till the age of retirement. The action and decision of the judges are immune from personal criticism. Salaries and allowances of judges are not subjected to approval from the legislature. The judiciary can penalize them who are found guilty of the concept of court. The Constitution specifically bars the Parliament from discussing the conduct of the judges except the impeachment procedure. Question number 33. What are the main differences between the local government before 73rd Amendment and after 73rd Amendment? Now, before 73rd Amendment, local government was a state subject only. States were free to make their own kind of laws in the local government. But after 73rd Amendment, local governments have received a recognition as a separate entity of the Constitution. Now, elections are regular interval after 5 years. The seats have been reserved in favor of SC, ST and OBC and women. State Election Commission has been appointed now and made responsible for conduct of free and fair election in the state. After every 5 years, State Finance Commission has been set up to review the finances of the panchayat and to make recommendations to grant to panchayat. Now, panchayats have been empowered to collect, levy and appropriate taxes, fees, tools and assigned by the state government. Last question, not least, what are the functions of Election Commission? Question number 34. Directly I have taken from your NCERT. The Election Commission had a wide range of functions. It supervises the preparation of up-to-date voter list. It makes effort to ensure the voters list as well as free errors and non-existence of the names of registered voters and existing to the names of those who eligible for non-existing. इसका मतलब कि जो those who are died उनके name delete करने पड़ते हैं. Those who have attained the age of 18 years, their names have to added in the new voter list. Now, date of polling and date of counting, declaration of result, entity process. Election Commission has the power to decide all the free and fair polls. It can postpone, it can cancel the election of entire country. अगर इनको जरा सा भी ऐसा लगता है कि एटमॉस्फेयर में कुछ गड़बड़ हुई है and free and fair election नहीं हुए हैं. The Commission also implement the model code of conduct. The Election Commission accords recognition to the political parties and allots symbol to each of them. So many duties, important duties are given to EC, Election Commission. I hope all of your answers would be correct and you will definitely pass with flying colors. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much.